Hello everyone, here is a Chandnisha. As per you know, the sanitizer prices are increasing. For that, we are preparing lab sanitizer that you can prepare it at your home and you can buy these chemicals from the local chemist shops. For that, you need isopropanol, glycerol, H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, and water. Water should be taken very pure, so you can use it RO water. Then 2 measuring cylinder, 1 preparation bowl and 1 storage bowl. We are preparing this 500 ml. So for 500 ml, you need 350 ml of isopropanol, 50 ml glycerol, 25 ml H2O2 hydrogen peroxide and 75 ml water. First you will take a glycerol, separate. We are taking a 50 ml glycerol. Glycerol is very viscous, so take glycerol first and dispense in a mixing bowl or mixing beaker. Mix it with glass rod. Then isopropanol. Mix the glycerol and isopropanol homogeneously. Homogeneously means glycerol is very viscous, so you need to mix it properly. So IPA and glycerol will be in a good suspension. Before adding anything, please mix the IPA and glycerol very homogeneously. Then add 25 ml H2O2. Lastly, 75 ml water. Mix this solution as a clear suspension. Till the appearance is strong, please mix it. As glycerol is very viscous, so it is very difficult. So you have to use a clean glass rod or spoon, spatula, anything you have, and mix it properly. And take it in a clean vessel. You can also add aloe vera gel or glycerin in cases of sensitiveness cases. Please store this reagent as H2O2 are mixed. Store this for 24 hours and then you can use it. And take it in a clean vessel. You can also add aloe vera gel or glycerin in cases of sensitiveness cases. Please store this reagent as H2O2 are mixed. Store this for 24 hours and then you can use it directly. Thank you.